Hi guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while, and I'm sorry about that. It's just I had a lot of time, and plus my videos are really slow when they upload, but I might start redoing. This is just a little video right now because I actually have nothing to talk about, but I'm at my grandma's in her nice wooded area, and so I just thought, ouch, this really hurts. Sorry. I don't know, I just want to make one so you guys know I'm still alive, even though I only have like 3 subscribers. To all the 3 subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate that because helps a little bit, but I like that I got a lot of views on stuff, and I haven't uploaded my other videos, but I might. But I might make a video later of my drawings that I did somewhat and some other people did and stuff. Do you want to see a butterfly? Oh no, what a way. But yeah, it's kind of just a little video today. Yeah, I'm really happy today because I'm just happy because I'm with my grandma and stuff, and I had much fun. We watched a scary movie called The 13th Ghost, and it was scary. I was like crying almost. I almost cried because it's scary, okay? And yeah, it is freaky and scary and stuff, and I know. And if I have to, I might upload a video of me dancing with my mom to Just Dance 2, I think. Because I was told that if I did that, that would be a good idea for YouTube and whatever. And supposedly, yeah, so remember, brush your teeth, brush your hair, and remember this. Don't make videos if you really don't have nothing to say, because when you re-watch this, you might think to yourself, why was I talking about rambling on about stuff that I don't even know? So, yeah, my hat is off. Well, bye.